Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you can you connect Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 to your iPhone? Thinking of pairing a Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 with your iPhone? Unfortunately, the answer is mostly no. The Samsung Galaxy Fit F3 is designed primarily for Android devices and relies on Samsung app for setup and full functionality. And at the moment, there's no proper iOS support available. This means that if you're using an iPhone, you generally won't be able to pair and use the Fit 3 the same way you would with an Android phone. In fact, many users report that brand new Galaxy Fit 3 is difficult or even impossible to set up without first connecting it to an Android device using Samsung software. In some cases, you may be able to pair an Android phone to complete the initial setup and then use the band independently afterward, but features and syncing may still be limited. If you're an iPhone user looking for a fitness tracker with better compatibility, options like the Apple Watch SE, Xiaomi Smart Band 9, or Fitbit Charge 6 offer much smoother integration and full support with iOS devices, making them a more reliable choice in the long run. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.